following program is rated G. It is suitable for all audiences.
Because as I hear the candidate for the Mr. and Miss Angels today, it's so glamorous. They are so very lovely and so handsome.
Yeah, that's what I saw them earlier.
Yes, and now we are proceed to the sports news by Miss Winter.
Nevada College Intramurals 2015. Our coverage in this is the winner in the said game. Okay, let's get it on with the sports and action. Let's have the outdoor game. Under the basketball, volleyball boys and girls, softball boys and girls. Oh, from BS Criminology, fantastic! They are the winner in the said outdoor games. A few background about BS Crim is the reason why they're always winner. It is because when it comes with the game, most of them are alert and enthusiastic. Other outdoor games is sepak takraw with the use of head and foot. The winner in this game is no other than BSED department. Let's move on the indoor games. Badminton in single. In boys, the winners from BSED and as well as in girls. In double boys, the winners from BS Criminology department. Picking up the table tennis single. In males, the winners from BSED and in double is the BSED again. Aside from pleasing personalities, BSED students are very talented. The next is swimming. In this game, we have a tie. The BSCS, BSIT, BSACT department and BS Crim, they are both own the bakery. Going down in the some of our brain games, we have chess. For males, the winners from BS Crim are BSBA, BSAT department, and for the girls, the winners from BSED. Let's have the bingo chess. Both male and female from BSED is the winner. Scrabble, BSED is the winner, and lastly, the word factory, the winners from BSBA, BSACT department. Okay, we can see that the students in Nevada College and also the instructors were totally performers. We can actually have a talimbawa. Sports in Action correspondent.
September 8, 2015, the second day for celebrating Abada Clash 2015 with the team compete, win, and repeat. And now we are witnessing the different sports here in Abada compound. As you can see, in the volleyball players are now battling in their
from BSN Department versus BSBA. So now let's interview one of the players in the PSA department.
Oy, baby lang ang pangalan mo.
Hello. Good morning. Good morning po. What's your name? Ako nga po pala si Naismith Grace Pagkalibagan from BS Department. How are you feeling today? Sobrang nakakabaw. Pero po meron pong excitement na nararamdaman. Yes, obviously.
Kailangan yung bola hanggang doon sa may gym para
Do you believe you can win the game? Yes, kaya po namin manalo kasi po may unity kami at saka may teamwork. Kasama na dun yung sportsmanship para By the way, why did you join the game? Isa lang po yung isang motivation ko para pagsumali dito. Gusto ko pong ipakita yung talent ko at ma-enhance pa yung aking self-confidence sa paglalaro. Thank you. Salamat po.
Before we proceed to the weather reports, let's take a break.
Don't change your channel.
When it's this foamy, anything can start. New Nescafe Cappuccino, our foamiest premium coffee for those with premium taste. New Nescafe Cappuccino.
Saturday viewers, we are back.
No wonder, let us know what the weather today is.
Okay, good morning. Today in our weather report. It is sunny without a hint of dark clouds in the sky. I'm sure the Abadas will enjoy this great weather. Meanwhile, in Visayas, they are currently experiencing the stormy weather, and on the Mindanao, they are currently experiencing the cloudy weather and 50% chance of rain tomorrow evening. So let us enjoy and keep safe because our lives is just like our weather. This is Naismith Grace Pagkalibagan, your weather report.
We are back. Partner, what is your report today?
So the students have joined together from their own departments to form their own group. But there is one specific group is stood out. Let's find out what the group is. Ethel? We are now here in the famous music booth where MAPE majors have joined together to perform for the students. So, let's start to interview the MAPE. Okay. How's your experience this years in the
Experiences. It is good. Masaya naman dito sa loob, lalo na dun sa mga ibang sports na napanood ko. That is very exciting.
What is the reason that you are decided to be coordinating the match?
The reason is we want to entertain the other Abadans, like the ones that are not doing anything. So kapag wala silang magawa, pwede sila pumunta dyan. Yung piso lang naman. So kaya gusto din namin magkaroon ng pondo para sa iba namin gawain. Kaya yun, yung gumawa kami ng music booth.
What was your expectation when you made?
Ang expectation ko dito ay magkakaroon kami ng magandang performance at ma-appreciate ng mga nanonood sa amin kung ano talaga yung gusto nilang gawin, kung ano gusto namin ipakita na maganda yung presentation sa loob, masaya sa loob, at hindi mo boring sa akin.
Okay, the last question. Will this be your book next year?
I think so, pero depende na sa mga officers kung gagawa tayo sila.
Okay, thank you.
Grabe. Dancing with you, oh, 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 oh.
we made your...
Start the day, let's have some fun. And always busy till the day is done. Pero check na check pa rin kasi my hair is so bango, morning, hapon, and gabi. Oh my, oh my, oh my, smell check pa lang bango'y okay na. Oh my, oh my, oh my, kilig ang feeling at pansin din nila. Check sa palmolive, check ang hair ko ay all day long, lasting bango. Check sa palmolive, check ang hair ko, I can go the way, confident na ako.
Today,
No, and this morning.
you know, partner, today we're celebrating the intramurals in the Banaga.
Really?
Yes, and today we're also celebrating the best part. This is the most awaited event.
Is that amazing?
Yes, it's so amazing because you know, partner, from another town, they are celebrating because they want to watch this event.
Very exciting.
Yes, partner.
Salamat pala ako lakad God for this aming lakas presence of mind para makatagumpay namin ang laban.
Blackwater's got 4 different moods. I can feel the way I wanna feel. A for one is right and real. Feel good, I know it's right for me. I feel fresh and cool, suave and sexy, sleek and neat, smart and classy, strong and feeling good all the time.
Kuya, what's your secret?
Cotton fresh, always fresh, all day long. Let's joyride. Hey miss, one ride? This is Honda, always available. Buy now, 50% discount. Come on!
Again, birthday. Today, we will witness who will be the Mr.
And Miss Asia.
Intrams 2015.
Mr. and Miss Intramural 2015 held at Bata College, Gymnasium, last August 7 to 11, 2015. 6 departments compete on the red title, namely BS, BSS, BSc, BSAPP, BSHRM, BS Midwifery, BSIP, BSIPP, BSCS, and BS Criminology. The contestants compete on the sportswear, jeanswear, shirt and attire, and swimwear. At the end, BSPH and BSAPP won in the character of Miss Sharon, Marie Manalo, and Mr. Anthony. How did you feel when you hear your name that you are the winner of the pageant?
Hindi ko never expect na mananalo ako, pero nagalak naman ako dahil natawag yung pangalan ko sa pageant. Nagpapasalamat din ako sa mga supporters ko. Thank you.
So how about your followers? I think you have a lot of followers now.
Marami na rin, pero okay naman.
Oh, thank you for being there. Congrats. Are you searching for school? Abada College is here for you. We are offering different courses like BSS, BES, BS Criminology, BS HRM, Midwifery, BSBA,